Don't get too enthusiastic.
I'm not using a flat.
No, you'll find it's quite responsive.
Starting in the video this Tom, see what we get. Mark's taxiing out for the inaugural flight of his Cessna tug. Here we go. It's definitely gliding because I can see the prop. Looks quite good with those struts on, Tom.
It does actually.
For the type of plane it's...
Glider, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Mark's trying to induce a spin but with no luck. This isn't an aerobatic job. Yeah, to assist it in the...
Didn't you have an up down?
Now,
I'd have been amazed if you couldn't have held it upside down. That's
oh,
it.
what do you reckon? Oh, look, Tom. It's going for a bloody bunt, look. Just trying to get trimmed up.
Ones on flaps, the roll gets very soggy. How slow is that?
Very. There's a little bit of breeze up there, but nevertheless it's slow.
See that undercarriage working beautifully.
I say, I think if, without that undercarriage, that would probably bounce.